let's talk about Rigid Collodion. If you're a LARPer, cosplayer, costumer, just someone who likes to do makeup for fun, whatever it is, and you need to do scar makeup on occasion, this is going to be your new best friend. Let's walk through the process of how to apply it to make it look realistic and how to remove it, because if you don't do it the right way, it could actually cause some permanent damage. Now, both of these are Mehron brand. We have the Rigid Collodion here, and we have our Spirit Gum Remover to make sure we remove safely once we're done. And you can find both of these on the Embellish FX website. The scar that I'm most familiar and comfortable with doing is right on my cheek right here. I used to do it for a LARP character in the past, and I'm going to show that off for you so you can do it yourself. To start, I'm using a pink cream blush with a makeup brush to draw my scar on my cheek. And now the first layer of Rigid Collodion right over that line. Then fan yourself repeatedly so that we dry it off. I like to repeat this process 2 more times. I will redraw the scar as well because it'll make it pop more so it's more visible. And I like to do multiple layers of the Rigid Collodion because it further tightens the skin and gives it that depth that we're looking for to make it look really realistic. Everyone's skin is different, so you might not need to do it this many times, but this is what works for me. I always love seeing the result of using this product. What makes it really unique is that when you put it on, it pulls on your skin and tightens it, so it actually creates a little divot and makes it look so realistic. And now we're using our Mehron Spirit Gum Remover to get it off, because if you peel it off, I promise it's gonna hurt. I've made that mistake. This part is pretty straightforward. Just take a cotton ball or a cotton swab, dampen it with the remover, and pat it down onto the scar that you've created. Do it for a little bit so it really soaks in. Okay, this is where you're allowed to peel it off because it has been lifted from the skin and it can be safely done.